Located just southwest of Fort Lupton, this 44-acre property offers a rare mix of water, views, and versatility. With valuable water rights, a year-round pond, and wide-open front-range scenery, it presents a strong opportunity for a home site, small agricultural operation, or recreational retreat. The land is mostly flat with a few natural marsh areas that attract wildlife and add character to the landscape. It sits at the corner of County Road 8 and County Road 19, with access from County Road 8. The property is fully fenced and cross-fenced into multiple pastures, making it well-suited for horses, light livestock, or a hobby farm setup. An active oil pad is located in the southeast corner of the property and provides income, helping offset ownership costs. The standout feature, however, is the approximately 4-acre pond. At 4 to 5 feet deep, it has historically held water year-round and creates a natural focal point for both recreation and a future home setting. From here, you'll enjoy expansive views of the Rocky Mountains paired with the added benefit of water on the property. The sale includes 5.5 shares of Big Dry Creek ditch water, further supporting agricultural or land management uses. Located in the South Platte River Valley, the area is known for its agricultural roots, open landscapes, and access to the northern Front Range. The property sits just over 4 miles from town, about 30 miles northeast of Denver. Denver International Airport is roughly a 25 to 35-minute drive. For recreation, the property is especially appealing to waterfowl hunters. The pond supports resident birds throughout much of the year, with increased activity during migration season. 2 established blinds are already in place, offering a solid starting point. Beyond hunting, there's plenty of room to shape the land to your vision, whether that's enhancing habitat, adding features, or simply enjoying the open space. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact John Harity, us at HaydenOutdoors.com.